Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add payment in Patreon. So first of all, let's go to into our Patreon app. So here is the Patreon app. Now you can see that I have just opened the Patreon app, and this is my new account guys. I don't use Patreon this much. So let's find some creator. Just click on that, find some creator. So search for a creator. Let's suppose search for a music. Okay, search for a music, and let's click on dank pots. Okay, now you can see that here is an option to become a patron. You can see that become a patron. Just click on that. After clicking on that, you will came into a new page. Here you can see become a patron of dank pots, just $1 a month. So click on join. After clicking on join, you will see a payment option. You can pay by your card and by PayPal. So now name on card, just add your name, your card details, your billing postcard code, and your country and your billing address, and then click on subscribe now. Here you can see at last you will see subscribe now. Okay, so just after filling all the information, just click on subscribe now. Now if you're using PayPal, just click on PayPal, and continue with PayPal. Click on continue with PayPal. Okay, so it will take me into PayPal. Now if you don't have any account, so create an account, and if you have an account, just enter your email address. Okay, so after clicking on that, now you can see I have just arrived into this page where I have to add details. Okay, so just card number, CVV, your first name, last name, street address, and create password, and then agree and continue. And after that, you are good to go. Your payment is done.